Hi guys, it's Talia, and today we have some rough skin. Oh my god, my friend's terrible. Jesus, I used a scrunchie too. Oh my god. Okay, hold on, I need a scrunchie on my wrist. It's not me without scrunchie. This is my third video, yeah. So we're gonna do aqua cupping. First, you're gonna need a cup and fill it up with water. Like if it's like this big of a cup, I don't know how big this is, but if it's this big of a cup, or something like this, fill it up to about here. Like right here, that's just the cleanser. So then you can put makeup remover or daily cleanser. I'm using Live Clean Fresh Face Foaming Daily Cleanser. That's my favorite. I'm just going to do a couple pumps of it. I already had some pumps in there, so I use like 10 pumps. And then stir it up. Stir it up. And then if you're using the same daily cleanser as me, it should look a little discolored. Depends what you're putting in it. And then you just start with the cheek. You can kind of push it on, and then you tilt sideways. It should just go like that. Oh yeah, it's leaking. So there. And then, not this time, tripod. Not this time. You're not gonna do this to me. Oh, yeah. I hate my tripod. It's kind of broken. Hold on, there. Okay, we're gonna lift it up in a second. So I'm just gonna take a towel and just blot it off. And look at that. That looks like fresh skin. It's funny and fresh, as James Charles would say. Don't come at me for talking about James Charles. So then you should stir it after every cupping if you're using foaming cleanser or foaming makeup remover. You can also use micellar water, or I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's like a makeup remover water. And you can use that with water too. You can use like any kind of facial stuff you have, like soap wise. Sorry, I just don't want to. Okay, and now we have our nice mixture, and we're gonna suction it on and just go sideways. Well, kind of upside down. Sorry, I look really weird, but here, I'll come closer. You can see that it's like really suctioning it. It's really red, and you should just like shake around. Yeah, you should just like shake around, maybe do a little dance. We're getting a little soap out. That's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna take it off. Oh, wow. It should look like that. I have kind of like a fatty face. I have chubby cheeks. If you have chubby cheeks, this works better. With a skinny person, I'm not sure. It depends how big your cup is. I suggest using a smaller, like, shot glass or something. I'm gonna go grab a shot glass and show you guys. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I have a tiny little shot glass. And if there's a line right here, fill it up to that line. So I'm gonna put 1 or 2. I'm just gonna do as many. You can put as many pumps as you want. I just don't suggest more than 10. And you can mix that around. This is for like the forehead, more like the around here. And just suction. No, this isn't a clear cup, so you can't see it. See the water? Here's my other. If you talk too much by the lips, it'll just come into your mouth. Just like that. And it actually works pretty well. I saw this online somewhere, but I'm giving you guys my own tutorial. Oh, I forgot to stir it. Oh, I'm so sorry. Now you can see that I'm lazy to get a stir stick. Lazy. And I'm using a pencil crayon. Fun. And then you can do it on your forehead too. And then just use a cloth again and just pat it. Do not rub, leave lines. Oh, you guys like my bangs? I got new bangs. And you can see the result of your skin. It's looking way better than before. It feels smooth. So that's how you do aqua cupping, my dear friends. Thanks for watching. Oh, I forgot about my half double chin. Oh, okay, yeah, that's not gonna work, but it kind of did. Oh, it's all over. Okay, no! Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm hiding my shirt. Okay. I'm gonna clean this up, but love y'all. Bye.